As we navigate this year's hurricane season, advocates are urging lawmakers to remember the critical role legal services play before and after storms. The nonprofit law firm Florida Rural Legal Services participated in a forum in Washington spotlighting the urgent need.
Our Jade Jarvis is live tonight with why those services could be in jeopardy. Jade?
Well, Tiffany and Felicia, when you think of disaster recovery, your first thought is probably not legal aid, but these services play a critical role for our most vulnerable communities.
We assist people who really need the help and can't get the help elsewhere.
Florida Rural Legal Services is a nonprofit law firm that provides free civil legal aid to people in need across 13 Florida counties and farm workers statewide. That includes after natural disasters like hurricanes.
While there's a lot of attention that's often paid to our more urban areas, our rural areas are hurt just as bad when we have hurricanes. And they don't often have the same access to the educational material or to the attorneys or to the government as some of our more urban areas do.
Representatives from the organization and 4 other states went to Washington, D.C. last week to speak with lawmakers about the urgent legal needs that come up before and after natural disasters.
There are a lot of legal issues for people to consider. Usually there will be disaster recovery centers set up by FEMA, but people who rent, people who have mobile homes, homeowners are going to have insurance questions.
It comes after President Donald Trump's proposed elimination of the Legal Services Corporation in the 2026 budget appendix, which partially funds the organization and its work.
All legal aid organizations are particularly vulnerable to seeing a reduction in services unless we're fully funded. And so we're all looking at the current budget carefully and with some concern. But also with optimism that our legislators will understand the necessities of our services we provide.
Now the organization is entering this hurricane season with caution.
There are a lot of questions around what FEMA may look like and what other federal agencies may look like. So we are taking the steps to make sure that on a local level we're as prepared as possible.
And Peter Dennis with Florida Rural Legal Services tells me that they are waiting to see how things progress with the budget proposal, especially in the Senate. But in the meantime, they are urging Floridians to reach out to their local representatives to advocate for their organization and the work that they do. Reporting live tonight, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.